Mansaf. Rice with chunks of stewed lamb. A main dish from Jordan. Serves 8. You will need 5 ingredients. Step 1. Whey is washed and soaked in water for an hour, then mashed with the blender moulinex, then dried out. Step 2. Meat is washed and put in a tray and soaked in water. Step 3. Onion, chopped into squares, is added, then meat is boiled to be rather cooked. Step 4. Meat is removed and soup is taken. Step 5. Whey juice is mixed with the soup and left to boil. It can be thickened with cornstarch as wished. Step 6. Meat is added and it is kept on the stove until soup and meat are cooked well. Step 7. Rice is cooked, and then 2 or 3 Arabic loaves are put in the tray. Step 8. Rice is put on the bread pyramidically, then pieces of meat are arranged on the surface. Step 9. Mansaf is decorated with the pine nuts and almonds. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.